Alright everyone, first drive ever with the Lotus. Here you go, I still have the battery in it. As you can see, I have removed the F1 tires that I put on. They look great with the sidewall, the size, the scale of it and everything, but they suck at gripping. They really have no grip whatsoever, so for driving purposes I remove them. For display purposes I'll put them on. So here you go, I have quickly painted and washed, did a wash on the pod. I have my little motor that I printed here. This is not SLA print, it's a basic filament print. Looks good from afar. I have my driver, its helmet, you can see the little steering wheel that is stuck to the servo actually, and then I've painted the undercarriage in red, and I have my arms, A-arms, top and bottom in silver, and then my grid in the front. There's a little bit of crookedness in the front of the body here. I think it's due to the way I plotted the holes there, but doesn't change too much to the look. Really dig the way it stands now. It looks really good going around the track. And let me remove the battery here so you'll see how the thing is now put together. So it's a really fun little car. It's using the brushed ESC. I've lowered the end point of the throttle to about 40. I think it should be at 36 like we do on the other cars we have here for the little carpet track, which is plenty enough of speed for what we have. The car having no front suspensions at all. I have a tendency to understeer. It doesn't corner and corners quicker under braking or deceleration as the other PCOO chassis do, so it has to be driven more carefully, but that gives it a little character for the driving. So here you go, you can see the inside now. I have my battery. The servo has now the servo brace on top of it, which is raising this as well a little bit. I have my micro receiver, and underneath the little 6 amp ESC attached to the motor that is here, the little standard stock brushed motor, standard stock mini Q rear axle, ball axle, and this is a 120 amp 2S LiPo. And so here you go, this is the now completed little Lotus 49 in red, because that's what I had on hand at the studio. So here you go, I hope you guys are inspired by this little quick project. It took me about, well, you saw when the first things were posted, it took me about 2 days on and off playing around to complete the print, the designs, the prints, the molds, the painting and the forming, and just figuring it out, and now I can just go on and play with it. So quick fun little project. It looks pretty fun, pretty scale from afar. It's not a die-cast model that you can dive into and look too close, but I think it serves its purpose and is going to be a cool little add-on to the collection now when we're going to put them side by side with the likes of the classic minis. So here you go, this is the now completed Lotus 49 for viewing pleasure. So we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.